Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Welcome to our discussion on the role of programming knowledge in obtaining a CCNA certification. As network professionals, we often encounter questions about the necessity of coding skills in our field. Let's explore this topic in depth. The Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, is primarily focused on networking concepts, configuration, and troubleshooting. It's important to understand that programming is not a requirement for this certification. The exam is designed to test your understanding of network fundamentals, routing and switching technologies, and basic security concepts. However, in today's evolving networking landscape, having some programming knowledge can be advantageous. While it's not mandatory, familiarity with programming languages like Python can enhance your capabilities as a network professional. This is particularly true when it comes to network automation and management tasks. Consider the growing trend of network automation. Many organizations are moving towards more efficient, programmatic approaches to managing their infrastructure. In this context, basic programming skills can help you streamline repetitive tasks, improve network efficiency, and even troubleshoot more effectively. That being said, if you're just starting your journey in networking, don't let a lack of programming experience deter you from pursuing your CCNA. The certification is designed to be accessible to those without a coding background. You can always build on your programming skills as you progress in your career. Remember, the field of networking is constantly evolving. Staying curious and open to learning new skills, including programming, will serve you well as you grow in your profession. Whether you choose to incorporate programming into your skill set now or later, the most important thing is to build a solid foundation in networking principles as you work towards your CCNA certification. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.